If you are dealing with sore muscles or just tightness in your body and you want to feel refreshed, this foam rolling routine is perfect for you. All you need is just a simple foam roller. If you have a soft one or a harder one, that's totally fine. This workout is going to promote blood flow to all of our muscle groups and it's going to leave you feeling really great. This is perfect to do as a standalone routine, or you can do this before all of your workouts. Foam rolling is a great tool that I like to implement into my own personal training and recovery protocol because it does a great job of bringing more blood flow to the muscles and it leaves you with that feel-good sensation in your body. The first exercise we're going to be doing is foam rolling our calves. So I want you to place the bottom of your calf on your foam roller and gently roll from left to right. And we're going to slowly work our way down the calf so that the foam roller will eventually be up towards the back of our knee. Now we're going to switch sides. Don't worry if one side feels like there's more sensation than the other side. That's often totally normal. Most of us will have one side that feels a little bit more tight than the other, so just continue to breathe through that and do your best. Now you're going to place your hands on the floor and raise your body up so that the back of your thighs, these are your hamstrings, are going to be on the foam roller. From here, I want you to focus on just pushing your body forward so that the foam roller goes back towards your butt, and then pulling your body back so that the foam roller reaches the back of your knee. Now I want you to take your right leg and bring your ankle over your left knee. From here, I want you to move your body up so that your left butt cheek is on the foam roller, and we're going to slowly roll up and down. Be sure to breathe through this one. We're going to switch sides, bringing your left ankle on top of your right knee and moving over so that your right butt cheek is on the foam roller. We're going to roll over onto our stomach and place the foam roller underneath your thighs. From here, I want you in a plank position, slowly rolling up and down so that the foam roller is rolling across your thighs. If there's any area where you feel more tension, be sure to just breathe through it. From here, I want you to place your left knee on the floor and your right leg on top of the foam roller. From here, you're going to take your right leg and roll it inwards and outwards while simultaneously rolling up and down. If this feels a little tricky, you can just stay in a position where you feel a stretch and where it feels good. Switch to the other side by bringing the foam roller under your left thigh and place your right knee on the floor. You're gonna roll over on your left side, placing the left side of your thigh on the floor and using your top right leg for balance as you roll up and down the side of your thigh. This is called your IT band, and for most, this will feel pretty crazy. So just breathe through it and do your best. Roll over onto your other side and place the side of your right thigh on the foam roller and use your top left leg as support. Place the foam roller underneath your left armpit area. This is your lat. From here, I want you to roll backwards and forwards on the side of your lat. This is going to help to release any tension that you might have in some of your back. Now flip over to the other side so that your right lat is laying flat on the foam roller and you are rotating backwards and forwards to help release any of that tension in your lat. Sitting on your butt, I want you to place the foam roller at about your mid-upper back. Place your arms up around your shoulders like you're giving yourself a hug and slowly roll up and down on the foam roller. I don't want you to take the foam roller all the way down to your low back because we don't have any bony structures there protecting our organs, so just stick to rolling from your mid-back to your upper back. Oh my goodness, girl, if you have a desk job, this one's gonna feel great. Staying in that same position, I want you to place your hands behind your head and slowly just lower your head back towards the floor and exhale as you're doing this. You might even get a couple cracks and pops, and you can move the foam roller up and down to really find a position that feels like a good stretch for you. I want you to come down on all fours and place the foam roller outside of your right hand. From here, take your left arm underneath your body and roll it over the foam roller. This is going to get a nice twist in your thoracic cage, and this is going to feel great. Switch to the other side, having the foam roller outside of your left hand, and then thread your right arm underneath your body onto the foam roller and roll it out, dropping that right shoulder down to the floor. We're getting that great twist in our spinal thoracic cage, and this is going to be a great mobility exercise as well. Hope you are feeling refreshed and your joints and muscles are thanking you for doing this routine. If you want to take that next step on your strength training journey, be sure to check out any of the playlists on my channel. You can follow along to any of the beginner ones like the Start Here series, or if you really want to challenge yourself, you can also follow along to something like the Buff Bride series or the Lifting to Confidence series. If you enjoyed this routine, please be sure to comment down below and introduce yourself to me so I can formally say hello. I'll see you in the next workout.